To set the file app to open the GUI files in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap Apps and then select Defaults, default apps. Scroll down the screen, find Excel, and then click or tap Excel, and then scroll down the screen, find the GUI files, and then tap Default App. And then you can select app you want to set as default to open that GUI file, or tap look for an app in Microsoft Store to install app to open that GUI files, and then tap OK. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.